Established in 1969, initially, the library operated in borrowed premises at the Malayan Teachers Training College in Geelooga, and moved to its own permanent campus in 1971. On 10th of December 2004, the main library was named Hamza Sendat Library, taken after the name of the first USM Vice-Chancellor. There are few rules and regulations visitors need to follow. Scan matrix card at the entrance. No food and drink allowed. Adhere library dress code. Keep your valuables in locker. PHS has various collections for the use of academic and others. Open shelves. Special collection. Long distance learning. Reference collection. Malaysian and archive. Microform collection. Journals, exam papers and magazine collection. Media collection. USM Library provide numerous quality facilities and services to ensure the comfortness of the visitors. Information counter. Circulation and interlibrary loan counter. Research support. OPAC. E-thesis. Book drop. Wi-Fi hotspot. Discussion room. Carol room. Quiet zone. "24 hours study room. Media room. Computer lab. Media lounge. Self-checkout station. Book donation box. Disabled facilities. Locker rentals. Postgraduates lounge. Book lovers corner. Other than academics, USM Library also organizes many programs and activities that benefits the university students.
Dilengkapi dengan bilik-bilik perbincangan dan memudahkan saya dan rakan-rakan untuk membuat perbincangan dalam kumpulan.
We have this media room where you can get a lot of CDs.
Universiti Sains Malaysia Library. Knowledgeable, integrity, progressive.